Number 1, we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 13. X plus 2y is equal to 9. Now, in order to solve this by elimination method, we have to eliminate either x or y. Now, we can eliminate any of these if they have the same coefficients. The coefficients are the numbers multiplying the letters. Now, here we have 5x, the coefficient is 5. Here we have x, so the coefficient is 1. We cannot eliminate this because the coefficients are not the same. Coming to 2y and 2y, we can eliminate because the coefficients are the same, 2, 2. Now, when you know that the coefficients are the same, you now look at the signs. We have plus, plus, positive, positive. When the signs are the same, we subtract. If the signs are different, we add. In this case, where the signs are the same, we subtract. So we name this equation 1 and we name this equation 2. So we will now subtract equation 2, or rather, we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Yes, we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we will say subtract equation 2 from 1. It means we are saying everything in 1 minus everything in 2. So 5x minus x, we have 4x. 2y minus plus 2y, minus and plus will give us minus. So we have 2y minus 2y, we have 0. So y is eliminated. Now equal to 13 minus 9, we have 4. So 4x is equal to 4. Now to get our x, we have to divide both sides by 4, which is the coefficient of x. Divide this side also by 4. 4 will cancel 4. And our x now will be equal to 4 divided by 4 is 1. To get our y, we have to use one of the equations, either equation 1 or equation 2, to get the value of y. So let's just use equation 1. Say from equation 1, 5x plus 2y is equal to 13. So since x is equal to 1, anywhere you see x, put 1. So 5 times 1 plus 2y is equal to 13. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2y is equal to 13. We now collect like terms. Plus 5. This is 5. It's positive because it doesn't have negative sign, so it is positive. So plus 5 crosses equality sign to the other side to become minus. So we have 2y is equal to 13 minus 5. This is the 5 that was here. It was plus, going to that side, it has changed to negative, to minus. So 2y is equal to 13 minus 5, we have 8. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2, our y is equal to 4. Therefore, our x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So if you pick these values and you substitute in the equation, you have these respective answers. Number 2, (7e minus f is equal to 1). 13e minus 2f is equal to 1. In this equation, simultaneous equations, we don't have coefficients that are the same. In E, we have 7 and 13. In F, we have minus 1. This is minus F, and it is minus 1F. Minus 1 and minus 2. We cannot just eliminate this way because the coefficients must be the same in either of the variables for us to eliminate. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply either equation 1 or equation 2 by a number that will make any of the variables to have the same coefficients. So if we look at equation 1, if we multiply equation 1 by 2, we will have minus 2f here. So we have minus 2f and we have minus 2f here, we can eliminate. So we now say multiply equation 1 by 2. So that we have 2 times 7e, 14e, minus 2 times f, we have 2f, which is equal to 2 times 1, we have 2. Remember, you have to multiply throughout. And we call this equation 3 because another equation is formed. Equation 2 still remains the same. So we have 13e minus 2f is equal to 1, and this is still equation 2. Now that we have the same coefficients, what do we do? When we have the same signs, that is like signs, we subtract. So we are saying equation 3 minus equation 2. That is, we are subtracting equation 2 from 1. So equation 3 minus equation 2, we now have 14e minus 13e. We have e minus 2f minus 2f. Remember, we have minus here already, but we are subtracting. So it's minus 2f minus minus, we change this to positive. So minus 2f plus 2f, we eliminate f, which equal to 2 minus 1, we have 1. So E is equal to 1. Since E is equal to 1, we will use any equation to find our value of f. So let's use equation 1. We can use any equation right anywhere to find the value of the other variable. So in equation 1, we have 7e minus f is equal to 1. So e is 1. So anywhere we have e, we put 1. 7 times 1 minus f is equal to 1. 7 times 1 is 7 minus f is equal to 1. So what do? We collect like terms. Plus 7 crosses this to become minus 7 on the other side. So we have minus f this side is equal to 1 minus 7. So minus f will be equal to 1 minus 7, we have minus 6. So since we have minus f and minus 6, the minus will cancel the minus and f is equal to 6. That's that for number 2. And we have number 3. In number 3, we have 4m minus 3n is equal to 26, and 3m minus 2n is equal to 25. Here we don't have the same coefficients, so we still have to multiply. So should we eliminate m, or we should eliminate n first? Any number or any variable can be eliminated, but let's eliminate m. So to eliminate m, we must make the coefficient to be the same. And in this case, we must multiply 4 by a number and then multiply 3 by a number so that we have the same coefficient, because there is no number that we can multiply by 3 to give us 4. So what we are doing is we are multiplying equation 1 by 3, multiply by this 3, equation 1 by this 3, and then equation 2 by this 4, and equation 2 by 4. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what do? We are multiplying 1 by 3. 3 times 4, we have 12m, minus 3 times 3n, we have 9n, is equal to 3 times 26. What do we have? 3 times 6 is 18. Put 8 carry 1. 3 times 2 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. We have 78. And then equation 2, we are multiplying by 4. 4 times 3m, we have 12m, minus 4 times 2n, we have 8n, is equal to 4 times 25, we have 100. 100. So now we have 12, 12 in m, so we can eliminate. Since they are all positive, we subtract to eliminate m. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So equation 4 minus equation 3. Equation 4 minus equation 3, we have 12 minus 12. The m will go. We have 8 minus 8n minus 9n minus 8n minus we give you plus. So we are having minus 8n plus 9n. That will give us positive n. That is positive n, positive 1n. 100 minus 78, we have 22. So n is equal to 22. Now when we substitute, let's say equation 1, we have 4m minus 3n is equal to 26. So n is equal to 22. So we have 4m minus 3 times 22 is equal to 26. So 4m is equal to 3 times 22. Then we have 66 is equal to 26. So we are going to take this to the other side. 4m minus 66 going that side to become plus. So this is equal to 26 plus 66. So our 4m will be equal to 92. So dividing both sides by 4, dividing both sides by 4 will cancel 4 and our m will be equal to 92 divided by 4. What do we have? We have 23. 92 divided by 4, we have 23. So our m is equal to 23. Our m is equal to 23. Now, therefore, our n is equal to 22 and m is equal to 23.